trekking spot in Pune and I'm on top of it now. I really enjoy this view a lot. Finally with my lovely nature. This is called Sunrise Hill and there is a group of team who maintains this and they have really maintained it well. Sorry for my breathing. I just climbed up the hill. I'm going to show the view down there, okay? Let's go further top now. Yes. Came here to the top. You see, they maintain these tanks to collect the wastewater and just help these plants with that water. And I'm going to show the view from the top of the hill. Nice, na? Nice view. Okay, bye. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe for more videos and travel with me happily from the comfort of your home.